Using ads in Google and Facebook is an important part of getting both new and returning customers, but it can also be very expensive if done incorrectly. ROAS is the abbreviation of return on ad spend, which tells you how much you're making for each ad you show. As you pay for ads, regardless of whether they end up translating to a conversion or not, it's important to find ways of sending the right ads to the right people. Here are the top 3 Clerk features for improving ROAS. Segmentation in most ad tools like Facebook and Google often comes down to creating segments based on who customers are. For example, people from Amsterdam, aged between 20 to 35, who browse the category jeans, and so on. Clerk takes a different, more relevant approach by identifying what customers do rather than who they are. With Interested In, you can find segments of specific users that are most likely to buy the products you want to sell. These are the customers you should send your individual ads to. By creating 5 to 10 different segments based on a collection of products to promote, like jeans, jackets, shirts, scarves, and so on, the ads users are presented with become much more engaging to them. This highly increases the chances of them wanting to click on these ads. Segments can then be synced with Google and Facebook, letting you run ads automatically as new users enter the segment and others leave it. This means you will always show the right ads to the right segments. It's not uncommon for marketeers to have to select between ranges of products to promote in their ads. And finding which ones to focus on require a lot of time and effort in analyzing online purchases. With Clerk's customer analytics, you simply have to create a set of audiences you want to compare and then check the elaborate statistics provided for each to find the best ones. Finding the ideal one depends on the use case. If the goal is generating a large amount of revenue here and now, the focus should generally be on segments containing many customers with the largest total amount of potential revenue. If, however, the goal is to create more long-term customers, the focus should be on reaching segments with a higher lifetime value, as these are likely to purchase more over a longer period of time. Lastly, Clerk's audience tool automatically identifies the 4 main groups of customer importance in one-time buyers, loyal customers, frequent buyers, and VIPs. Rather than the e-commerce business having to identify VIPs as an arbitrary amount of orders, Clerk continuously calculates where each user fits into these groups, based on the overall behavior of everyone. As such, these groups will change over time as the business grows. The ability to have a dynamic segment that always contains the VIP customers is fantastic for getting a better return on ad spend. An efficient way is to sync VIPs to Facebook for creating lookalike audiences. Your VIP customers tend to have similar behavior and reasons for shopping, and by analyzing this group of customers, Facebook can send your ads to other users with similar behavior. This allows you to send ads to new potential buyers even if they don't know your brand yet. Google has a similar feature, although it's no longer called similar segments. Instead, this feature is now called optimized targeting. It still allows you to upload segments like VIPs from Clerk to train Google to reach the right kinds of people with your ads. These are the top 3 Clerk features for increasing return on ad spend. Thank you for watching.